Disorderly conduct on buses, 9735-1, the use of profane language, intoxication, or smoking on passenger bus. Section 1, it shall be unlawful for any person to be guilty of disorderly conduct or a breach of the peace or use of obscene, profane, or vulgar language upon any passenger bus or coach while such passenger bus or coach is in the service of passenger transportation upon any of the highways of this state. 2, it shall be unlawful for any person while intoxicated to be in or upon any passenger bus or coach when such passenger bus or coach is engaged in service of passenger transportation upon any of the highways of this state. 3, it shall be unlawful for any person to drink intoxicating liquors of any kind in or upon any passenger bus or coach while the said passenger bus or coach is in the service of passenger transportation upon any of the highways of this state. 4, it shall be unlawful for any person to smoke a cigar or pipe in or upon any passenger bus or coach while said passenger bus or coach is in the service of passenger transportation upon any of the highways of this state. Before being guilty of violation of this subsection, the driver of the bus shall have first requested such violator to refrain from smoking. 5. The provisions of this foregoing subsection shall apply only to passenger buses or coaches engaged in interstate commerce or intrastate commerce operating over regular scheduled routes within the state under a certificate of public convenience necessity granted by the Interstate Commerce Commission of the Mississippi Public Service Commission or both. 6. If any person shall be guilty of violating any of the 5 preceding subsections, the driver of the bus or person in charge thereof may stop it at the place where the offense is committed or at the next regular or convenient stopping place of the bus and eject such passenger using only such force as may be necessary to accomplish the removal. And the driver of the bus or person in charge thereof may command the assistance of passengers thereon to assist in the removal, and the driver of the bus may cause any person so violating any of said subsections to be detained and delivered to the proper authorities. 7. Any person violating any subsection of this section shall be deemed guilty of a misdemeanor upon conviction, shall be fined not more than $500 or imprisoned in the county jail for not more than 30 days. In the discretion of the court or the offender may be punished by both such fine and imprisonment. At ride on the bus, you won't have no problems. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.